Here I am, and I'm very proud to be here. Thank you very much, everybody. Please, a big, let's get some energy in the room. Let's get some energy in the room. Come on, everybody sitting over there. Come on, everybody, wait. That's the way. पहले मैं इधर से शुरू करता हूँ, फिर मैं माइक लेके घूमूंगा, इधर इधर दौड़ूंगा. अच्छा लगता है, एनर्जी आता है रूम में. नहीं तो एक जगह फंस नहीं जाने का. So I've been asked to speak for what, three hours?
No, 4 hours.
4 hours? Okay.
4 hours.
जितना पैसा दिया तो उतना ही नाचूंगा मैं सब. तो मैं क्या बोला था? He did not even mention my name. मेरा नाम क्या है बताया ही नहीं. My name, just in case. नहीं, in case you don't know. वायरस बोलेगा सब लोग मारते मेरे को रोड पे, मालूम है? In case you did not know, my name is Baman Irani. You should not assume anything, and I'm an actor. Some people in this room may not know what I do and who I am, right? Right, sir? All our doctors, yeah, kya bata hai. So, I got this lesson. I learned this lesson simply when I'll tell you this beautiful moment that happened on a flight. My flight pe tha. I was sitting in the first row, and people are coming in. I like to wish everybody good morning, good morning, good morning. Energy honi chahiye bas. Life में energy होनी चाहिए. And there was one guy on the phone talking loudly. मतलब एरो ब्रिज से उसकी आवाज आ रही थी वहां से दूर से. You know how rude it is in the morning when you hear people talking loudly. Nobody's saying it's not rude because you must have done it yourself. I know all of you. But anyway, he came into the plane and he spotted me. He got very excited. I also got excited. यार कोई मुझे इतना मान दे रहा है. My favorite actor, मेरा दुनिया का सबसे favorite actor. He wouldn't stop talking about his most favorite actor, and then the words didn't come. He got breathless. I got a little nervous. I said, "Come here, please. You are my favorite actor." He's telling the guy on the phone. मैं 1 मिनट में बात करवाता हूँ उनसे. मेरे को बात नहीं करनी है किसी के साथ यार. मैं बात करवाता हूँ. बोला, "My favorite है." Then he comes to my ear, मेरे कान के पास आते और जोर से बोलते, the whole plane can hear. And he said, भाई साहब, I said, क्या है जी? अरे आपका नाम क्या है वो बताओ पहले. मेरा कचरा हो गया ना. उसके बाद I always introduce myself. Dr. Sushrut बोला नहीं बोला, मैं बोला, my name is Baman Irani, I'm an actor. Hello everybody. Nice to be here. Come on, let's put your hands together. है ना? Dr. Sushrut was giving a long briefing about every bone in the body. ऐसा है, वैसा है, ये एसिटिबुलम है, ये क्लैविकल है, इधर मेरे को क्या समझ में आता है. मैं तो घंटी चोर डॉक्टर हूँ यार. पिक्चर में मैं इतना सुनाया. मैं बोला क्यों सुनाता मुझे सब. It sounds very impressive, and you guys are impressive, and he is the most impressive man. Finally घूम फिर के उसी पे आता है. एक सवाल पूछने का था उनको. तो सवाल क्या है बताओ. वो प्रियंका चोपड़ा कैसी है रे. Very naughty boy. He's a very naughty boy. Oh, Karishma Kapoor, pretty, yeah. My school friends and Dr. Sushrut are very jealous of me because I get to act with the most beautiful women in the country. है ना? सब लोग तालियां भी मारे. But sir, don't be jealous. I tell my school friends also, don't be jealous. You know why? I only play their father. I got to act as a hero once, again. Hero, heroine. Don't be jealous. Sir. My heroine was Farah Khan. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, they say you must lighten up with a joke. Now let's get serious. I'm here to talk to you for the next 40 minutes about a journey about a little boy who wanted to come on stage. That's it. I have not done anything special. All of you sitting in this room have done far greater things than I will ever dream of. So here I am to talk to you simply because I was invited. Let's start my journey. I was born in 1959 December. My father passed away in 1959 May, 6 months before I was born. I was born what is known as posthumously. And it was very difficult because I was surrounded by women, my mother, 3 sisters, and chachis all over the place. And I was very mollycoddled. Everybody used to take great care of me, but that's not good. You've got to toughen up people. In life, you've got to be tough. And I had a speech defect. I used to speak like virus, only with a squeakier voice. कोई बात नहीं, sir. Doctors are allowed to keep their phones on. They're always on duty, right? It was very difficult because I couldn't speak properly. I had a speech defect. I used to stammer. I used to stutter, and it used to sound something like this. Virus used to stick his tongue out and speak, right? There's so many clouds. तो लोग हंसते थे, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था. तो मैंने सोचा सबसे बड़ी चुप, मैं बात ही नहीं करूंगा. So I never opened my mouth. Believe it or not, this man who is standing here in front of you and talking 1 mile a minute never spoke till he was this high, because he was afraid that people will make fun of him. In this world, please never be afraid of anyone. Who am I telling? You're all great people. Anyway, I went to St. Mary's School for the entrance exam, and the principal showed me 2 photographs. Both had S in it. तो मैं बोला एस से बोलूंगा तो मैं प्रिंसिपल हंसेगा, सोचेगा मैं डफर हूं. मेरा नाम भी दिया था, बेचारा बमन द डफर. फैमिली में मुझे सब लोग डफर बोलते थे. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई नेवर स्पोक. एनीवे, he showed me the photograph of a horse. Horse. मैं नहीं बोला. माउस दिखा. माउस. मैं नहीं बोला. मेरे को needless to add, I did not get admission in St. Mary's School. But here's the kicker, and this is the part I want to speak to you about, my friends. 10 days later, Father Molinet calls up my mother and says, Mrs. Irani, we made a big mistake. Which child doesn't know what a horse is? Which child doesn't know what a mouse is? Your son is only nervous. He's got anxiety problems. Send him, we make a man out of him. We judge people too easily, my friends. Today, the Instagram world, we're only judging people. We're only judging people. Walk into a room, yeah, ye to duffer hai. No, give everyone a chance. They will blossom someday. They will grow someday. That's the reason why I told you this story. I had dyslexia. We all know what dyslexia is. Thank you, Amir Khan. We did not know till now, because till now, dyslexia was duffer. That's really wrong. I had dyscalculia. Numbers. Even today, I don't understand numbers, just by the way. Think about it. It's a disability where numbers fall down from the brain. I cannot remember my room number or my telephone number or OTP आता आजकल तो इतना tension होता मुझे to put it down. You know, you really believe it or not. I don't go to my room in the right room. I go and knock on the wrong door. Believe it or not. Sometimes I knock on purpose, but no, man. But the point I'm trying to make is that everyone has some kind of gift. Everyone has some kind of gift. If you don't, not good with numbers, you'll be gifted with something else. I do believe that. My mother used to be very, very, very scared. And I'll tell you this little story. One day I was on stage. I was on stage in the choir. यहाँ पे choir में था. मेरी माँ वहाँ पे बैठी है और मैं ऐसे बड़ा बो टाई, लाल कलर पेपर का बो टाई बनाते थे बच्चों के लिए, रूज रूज लगा के मैं खड़ा था वहां पे. My mother is smiling. She's smiling and has tears in her eyes. Smiling and tears in his eyes. Smiling and tears in her eyes. And after the concert in school, she said, "Oh, how are you?" I said, "I'm very good." I said, "Mommy, why were you smiling so much throughout?" You know what she said? "I was smiling, beta, because you were smiling. I never seen you smile." And for a lot of parents, you want to see your children happy. And for her, it was a big day that her son was smiling. And you know why I was smiling? She figured it out. Do you know why I was smiling? I'll tell you. I found my nursery. I like to be on stage. I like to be on stage. And she recognized that. Nice wooden floor, lighting, sound, and an audience. I love an audience. And she realized that. I'm telling you this story just so that you understand that all of you have found your nursery. Your children, they may not want to be doctors. They might want to be singers. They might want to be cricketers. Let them find their nursery and encourage them and nurture them in that nursery. They may have some difficulties. Understand them. Don't think of it as a problem. They'll be gifted with something else. My mother used to send me to the movies every day. Speech therapist के पास और to the movies. जाओ picture देखो. प्यासा हमने Alexander Cinema में प्यासा चलता था. जाओ देखो फिर से देखो. क्यों फिर से? अरे go see it for the acting. Then next day go and see it for the lyrics. Next day go and see it for the light. She educated me in cinema because she knew that this boy is happiest on stage and happiest in front of the camera. Because it is a way of throwing away your nervousness. Believe me, I'm a shy person. But when I'm on stage, I'm a tiger. you know. So she sent me to see one movie called Funny Girl. Not a funny movie. And that funny girl, the opening shot is a story of a comedian who comes to the theater in New York. Opening shot, New Amsterdam Theater. Somebody remember this for me? I forget. So you'll remember for me? New Amsterdam Theater. याद रखिए. तो मैं ऐसे खड़ी है और देख रही है, the public is going into the New Amsterdam Theater. Opening shot of a film है. बढ़िया कहानी. But she doesn't go into the theater like this. She goes into the theater like this, goes behind a dark alley, and she goes behind, and she goes for the back door, and it's written over there, artist's entrance. Now I used to go to the theater Strand Cinema, और वहां पे दारा करके doorman था, with a torch. मुझे तू कल भी आया था, परसों भी आया था. हाँ, ये पिक्चर तेरे को समझ में आता है? तो बोला नहीं. तो रोज रोज क्यों आता है? I don't know, मुझे कुछ something draws me to it. Remember, what you love, you'll be drawn to. You will not understand it. Maybe it was this scene, the opening scene, that attracted me very much. However, I'm going to crack 2 jokes. Please laugh. First joke is I passed 10th standard. Please laugh. Yeah. Second joke is I passed with a high 3rd class. Please laugh. And I did not know what to do with my life, with my career. Doctor to bani nahi sakta tha. Engineer bhi to bani nahi sakta tha. So I went to my dadi, my grandmother. Now, who is my grandmother? Today I realize my grandmother was a refugee. She came with a little child as a married little young girl from Iran. And how did she come? She came across the desert on a donkey. Sach bata raha hu. Saying we came on a donkey. We came to the port at Khorramshahr, and from Khorramshahr we took a sailboat and came to India. And she used to think these were the sandals I used to wear. Same sandals. Irani chappal. And I'm saying, my God, my granny is so simple, so beautiful, and so wise. And I asked her, Granny, Dadi, I want to be a waiter. So she said, you must do what you want in life. If you don't have a want, you are nobody. You must want something. What great advice this is. You must want something. So I said, okay. But, he said, you want to be a waiter? Be the best waiter in the world. Don't even try. Best advice. So I went to the best. I went to Taj Mahal. The best, sorry, Western wale. Sorry. तुम लोग थे नहीं उस वक्त, तो मैं आपकी तारीफ नहीं कर सकता. ताजमहल में गया इंटरव्यू के लिए. Some of us may have done interviews in our lives, right? वहां पे खड़ा था एकदम. पारसी मैनेजर था, सैम भाड़ा. सर नाम याद रखेंगे? सैम भाड़ा. ओके, पावाजी खड़ूस एकदम. एवरीबडी नोज हुआ पारसी ना, या तो पारसी डॉक्टर होंगे ही होंगे ना. हाँ, तो सैम भाड़ा को दिख रहा था, कुछ ऊपर देखा मेरे को दिख रहा था. ओके, विच डिपार्टमेंट यू वांट टू जॉइन? मैंने स्टाइल में बोला, सर I'd like to join the food and beverage department. Well, you put the idiot. Drop the accent. Be yourself. Bloody Irani. I said, sir, I want to join the food and beverage department. So he's saying, idiot, the whole hotel business is about food and beverage. Which department do you want to join? I said, sir, I want to join the Rendezvous. Rendezvous restaurant. The French restaurant. I said, yes. Top floor, yes. The most expensive restaurant in Asia, yes. He said, I am very impressed with you, beta. You want something out of life. Life is full of mini wants. You've got to keep hurdling your mini wants. And then, of course, there's the cosmic one. What do you really want out of life? Wo last mein pata chalta hai. So he said, great. I said, when can I start? He said, now. I said, meri to chandi ho gayi. Rendezvous. He said, sir, can I go? I said, yeah, go to the basement, you idiot. I said, why, sir? He said, you really believe that you can go straight up there? I'm so sorry. My dear man, you will have to pay your dues. Go to the basement, start washing plates, okay? Slowly, slowly do room service. You go to the bar, and then we'll send you to Rendezvous. Took me 2 years. The moment I went into the basement, they gave me a pitchkari in my hand. You know that pitchkari? Everybody's giggling. Everyone dirty mind. No, none of that pitchkari, sir. The one to wash plate. And I did that. And there is fun in doing hard work. There's fun in doing labor. Finally, 2 years later, I did room service. I used to collect all my tips in a piggy bank. I reached rendezvous. And French, I learned French and I started talking to the style. उधर भी acting तो था पहले से. The rendezvous de feuilles de main, de crème, de basilic, de pistil, de fond. ऐसा ठोकता था मैं इतना impress हो जाते थे लोग. But I did what I wanted, and I did my destination has to be food. And rendezvous is destination. By the way, the restaurant was called Destination. So strange. I got a call from my mom, and my mom said, "Come home." Went home. She had met with an accident, and she said, you will have to go to the wafer shop. We were a family of shopkeepers, dukandars. And my grandfather started it. My father died at the age of 32. Then my mother ran it for so many years. And now, because my mother was in bed, I sat at the wafer shop for 14 years. 14 years. So hot. So simple the life was. I got married while I was at the wafer shop. I got married at the age of 25. Before I turned 26, I became a father. Sir, he's laughing. ये क्या है यार? आप कुछ कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे ना? मैंने क्या बोला? I got married at the age of 25, but before 26, I became a father. बोला ये कैसे हो सकता है? Legal पारसी बच्चे हैं मेरे, don't worry. Anyway, I realized 7 years I had not done anything of worth, because I could not afford to take my family out for a basic, simple holiday. I couldn't. So what do? I break the piggy bank, I buy a basic camera, and I called my camera and made him my friend or my conscience. And that camera I used to call Alfred. And so we go and take photographs of my favorite things, sports. I could not go for big events, so I used to go for school events. Athletics, long jump, high jump, cricket, hockey, football, सब कुछ में कमाल के फोटो देता था with that simple camera. And I collected money. I decided to take my family for a holiday to Ooty. We went by train, we went by bus, we went by rickshaw, we saw the hotel. Looked like a bhoot bangla. I said, ये कहाँ पहुँचे हम? And I said, this is something I've not done correctly for my family. We work very hard. Everybody in this room works very hard. We work for our families. This I didn't want to take them for a presidential holiday, but basic तो होना चाहिए था. मेरी बीवी बोलती है कि कैसा होटल है? बोला अंदर आओ, बाहर से वो हेरिटेज होटल है, बाहर से टच नहीं कर सकते, अंदर आओ और अच्छा रहेगा. ऐसा ठोकने का मैं अंदर गया, उससे भी खराब. राम से फिल्म का हॉरर पिक्चर लगता था. तो डरावना होटल, वो दरवाजे बड़े, वो लूवर के साथ, वो आते ना लूवर्स के दरवाजे विद अ टी कड़ी, दरवाजा खोला, वो भी राम से पिक्चर का भी साउंड ट्रैक, दरवाजा अंदर गए, अंधेरा. It was dark. I told the guy, turn on a light. He turned on a light. It was still dark. Pitch dark. You know why? One light came on, but it was a 0-watt bulb. And I'm looking at that bulb and I'm feeling very ashamed of myself. And I said, I need to do something with my life, because my life up until now is like that bulb. What you do will be represented with that bulb wherever you go. I need more light on me. Just now, it was a 0 bulb moment in my life. And all of us, at some point in our life, when we feel that we are not doing enough, when we stagnate, we feel like a 0-watt bulb. Am I right? Tell me, anybody doesn't say, come on, tell me, am I right or wrong? Anyway, I came back, I said, now I got to up, we all get this feeling, let's up the game, otherwise we will stagnate. And I said, which is the next big sporting event? Because sports, photography became my big thing. It was the World Cup of boxing. Olympians were coming from all over the world, post-Olympic Games, a sporting World Cup. And I said, I want to be the official photographer of the World Cup. I want to be the official photographer of the World Cup. Right? I went to meet Aspi Adajania. He was president of the Indian Olympic Boxing Committee. Khadus, Parsi. Parsi जानते हैं ना आप लोग? कौन नहीं जानता Parsi को? Everybody knows who a Parsi is. Name me a few Parsis, famous Parsis. Ratan Tata, Daruwala, Maman Irani, आगे. Sam Manekshaw, Soli Swarabji, Haji, Godrej. प्रिंस चार्ल्स, प्रिंस चार्ल्स पारसी नहीं है क्या? अच्छा ठीक है। यस, फेमस पारसीज। एंड मैं थोड़ा टाइम मिलेगा तो, टाइम बचेगा तो मैं और बात करें। हाँ, तो एनीवे दिस अस्पी अदाजानी इज सिटिंग देयर एंड आई शोड हिम माय फोटोज, स्कूल स्पोर्ट्स। इतने कमाल के पिक्चर थे, स्कूल भले स्कूल स्पोर्ट्स के थे, बट दे लुक्ड इंटरनेशनल। ही इज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड। I said, sir, I want to be official photographer of the World Cup. He's saying, sorry. Why? You cannot. I cannot give you the job. But sir, you like photos are excellent. अरे मैं चलने गया, नहीं सर, एटलीस्ट सर गिव मी अ बैज, मैं फ्रीलांस करूंगा, यू नो। सॉरी, आई कैनॉट गिव यू अ बैज। अरे then he called me back and he started a line of questioning that you will not imagine. ये कोई questioning है? पहला सवाल पूछा, तो वेफर वाला है क्या? अच्छा, और yes, I am a वेफर वाला। Where do you buy your potatoes? Where do you buy your potatoes? I said at the onion and potato market. कांदा बटाटा मार्केट। महाराष्ट्र में कांदा बोलता है, नॉर्थ में प्याज बोलते हैं। अच्छा, what do you know about potatoes? I said, what do I know? I know everything. फिर मैं अकड़ने को लग गया। I know everything about potatoes. So I can put my finger inside a potato. I can tell you कितना moisture है, कितने दिन के बाद फ्राई करेंगे तो कितना अच्छा वेफर निकलेगा। मिट्टी से मैं बोल सकता हूँ कौन से एरिया का है। हसन, मेतुपालम, तलेगांव, वट्टी, शिमला, आई नो एवरी। क्या बात है, तूने पोटेटोज में, आलू में MA BA किया है। And I'm not understanding कि ये कहां जा रहा है ये बात। Finally he said, which market? You said onion and potato market. What do you know about onions? I said nothing, sir. What? So no, you don't know anything about onions? I said no, sir. Exactly. This is my point, young man. You know about this hockey, football, athletics, high jump, long jump, road running, sab kuch. But you don't have a single photograph of boxing. And you have the cheek to walk into my office and tell me you want to be the official photographer of the World Cup. How? You must, and there's a phrase in English, strangely, English saying it, you must know your onions. Can you believe it? You must know your bloody onions, he said. So don't come here and say you want to be the official photographer when you don't know anything about it. I tell this to sales teams. If your product changes and for years you're selling toothpaste and now you're selling tooth powder, you'll have to study what tooth powder is. You cannot just say, because I've been in a company for 20 years, I know everything about tooth powder. Same story. He's saying, go and show me some pictures of boxing, otherwise get out. And I found one boxing tournament. Small tournament with a small little, it was literally like a hut. And I went in over there, and on top of that ring, there was one bulb. मेरे नसीब में एक ही bulb होता है, वो भी dim bulb. मेरा भी dim bulb था. I went over there and said, यार ये मैं कैसे ले सकूंगा? How will I get international pictures with this? I was about to leave and I told myself, my Alfred, my conscience told me this. He says, remember one thing. This is your resource. Don't grumble. जो भी है, God has given these lemons, make the best lemonade. I said, लेकिन कैसे लूंगा मैं? Sometimes it's an advantage. People love to grumble. My father is not a big producer. How can I become an actor? No. Those are excuses. I don't have a nice backdrop. How will I take good pictures? No. Go and try it. And I went inside and I took every angle, photographs and that bulb in the background, backlighting, or dramatic pictures nikli. Kamal ke dramatic pictures I simply because of the less resource. 1 week I went back to Mr. Aspi Adajania and I showed him those pictures. They were lovely pictures, by the way. खुद बोल रहा हूं मैं. तो लिए ऐसे draw में डाला. Shut the drawer. I said. He took out another envelope and he gave it to me. You have been appointed official photographer of the World Cup. What question did I ask him? But sir, you didn't even see the photographs. You know what he told me? I didn't have to. The day you left this office, I could see it in your eyes. You had decided you will come back with great photographs. All you need to do is know your onions. And it was so amazing. He became my friend, he became my mentor. And he introduced me to the Norwegian boxing team. The only boxer who was sponsored, and they wanted 3 photographs and they were willing to pay. I said, मैं 20 रुपए का एक फोटो बेचता था, कितना मिलेगा मालूम नहीं. उसने पूछा, how much will you charge? I said, I don't know. मैं कैसे बोलूं, I don't know. I'm supposed to be a professional photographer. So I said, sir, you pay me international rates. So okay, ambiguous था, लेकिन it's a smart answer for Duffer Baman. Comes the day of the fight. Somebody told me they'll pay you $60 per picture or $100 per picture. ये numbers मुझे याद है. 60 into 3 pictures, 180, correct है ना? 100 into 3, 300. ठीक है ना? Fight. I am sitting there in the ring. And suddenly, all the other photographers came. With big cameras, बड़े lenses, tripod, ये वो, एक कैमरा इधर, एक कैमरा इधर, मोटर ड्राइव ऐसा, और मैं अल्फ्रेड के साथ लॉलीपॉप की तरह बैठा हुआ. मैं डर गया. अल्फ्रेड मेरे को क्या बोला? What did my conscience tell me? मैं कैमरा से बात कर. What did my conscience tell me? My conscience told me that, Baman, you have reached here because of Alfred. Don't abandon your friends when you go higher up in life. Have the faith in your own abilities. फिर क्या हुआ? जर्मन बॉक्सर आया और मेरा नॉर्वेजियन बॉक्सर आया. और I could see my $300 flying away like that. You know why? Because the German was kicking the hell out of the Norwegian. अभी कौन लेगा? वो मार खा रहा है और German ठांग. He said, look man, stop thinking about the money. Stop looking around at others. Stop saying ये मेरे से अच्छा है, उसका ये ऐसा है, वैसा है, तो मेरा कैमरा छोटा है और यार ये मार खा रहा है. You have made a commitment. What if the Norwegian hits him one? अमिताभ बच्चन ने मारा था ना विनोद खन्ना को, अमर अकबर एंथनी, भाई एक मारो लेकिन याद है कि नहीं? And this is what life gives us sometimes, just a shutter speed click of a window of an opportunity. And if we are sitting there grumbling, saying, yaar, mere, it's gone. It'll come, it'll go, you will never know it. Be focused for your window of opportunity. Always. I'm going to tell this to young people actually who are standing over there. Your window of opportunity will come, it'll go away if you're grumbling. But if you stay focused, and Alfred, my conscience told me, pick up your camera and focus. And I looked into the viewfinder and I did not take my eye off the viewfinder. And believe it or not, I waited. And the boxer gave him one. But my 3 pictures. I sent them to Norway. I got a call at 4 in the morning because they had to print them the next morning. It was night for them. He said, Mr. Irani, we got the pictures. Thank you. And I wanted to hear one word. First is the commitment. Mr. Irani, the pictures are fantastic. अपना काम हो गया. Viggy magazine, sir. Viggy magazine याद रहेगा. Viggy, Veegee. Sir, लिख लो ना, sir. Viggy magazine loves your pictures. So how much will you charge? I said, sir, I told you, give me international. He said, okay. So he comes back after 5 minutes. मैं phone पे से बैठा हूँ, मेरी बीवी आई सुबह. Mr. Irani? I said, yes. We love the photographs. I said, thank you, sir. So for 3 photographs, मैं सोच रहा 180 या 300, 180 या 300, 180 या 300. We pay you $300. मैं तो चांदी, मैं तो रंबा संबा कर रहा हूँ बीवी के साथ. Yeah, ding dang. So go to the manager and collect your check of $900. Mr. Irani, वो वाला, हाँ, ओ आपका नाम क्या है, वो वाला ऐसा हो गया मेरा। मिस्टर, मिस्टर, मेरा आवाज ही निकल रहा है। यू आर नॉट हैप्पी? I said, sir, I am very happy. And I got 3 times as much as the top dollar, more than the top dollar. You know why? I'll tell you why. Because I concentrated on 2 things: commitment, excellence, and didn't think about the money. Concentrate on the job. Concentrate on the job. And I feel that sometimes gets rewarded, yeah. 1 week later, I get a check. सुनो, अभी तो बहुत मजा बाकी है। तो टाइम क्या हो सर, आप बता ना, अब टिंग टोंग करना। हाँ, हम लोग सर इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट टाइमिंग एंड ऑल। सर बहुत खड़ूस डॉक्टर है सर, पारसी, आधा पारसी है। तो 1 week later I got another check from Biggie. सर याद है ना, हाँ ना, Biggie बोला ना, Biggie, हाँ, $900. बीवी को बोला मत भाई, don't lodge it, don't lodge it. They've already paid us. देखते हो ना, डॉलर वो जमा 30-35 साल 40 साल पहले कहाँ था डॉलर का चेक। खोला, देखा, क्या बात, देवानंद सर, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। $900 for reprinting your photographs. Can you believe? They sent me $900 because they reprinted my photographs in the same magazine. 2 weeks later, they sent another check. Another $900. And another $900. And I learned a new word from that check. You know what that word was? 5-letter word in English. And that word is called ethics. I cannot believe that people who do not know who you are, I don't know who they are. There's no website. I mean, there was no internet those days. Just because their policy said pay if you reprint, they kept sending me a check. And I'll never forget. And I feel we are rewarded if we stick to our ethics in the long run. Short term, I know there are many rewards, but in the long term, believe me, I started a studio. It was amazing. I took a loan. I'm not a good businessman. I took a loan. It was not a good loan. I did not know, and there was one more problem. A pandemic broke out. There was a lockdown for 2 years. Do you remember this? No. It was a personal lockdown. Just as we were locked in the house during the lockdown, I was locked in my studio for 2 years. Nobody came in, nobody went out. No business, no customers, no clients, no patients, nothing. But you're sitting over there and wondering, what do I do with myself? You know what I did with myself? I started knowing my onions. And I learned that lesson. Every lesson I have learned till today, I have learned to apply it. I said, I know sports photography. I don't know advertising photography. So I practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced. And I was paying interest upon interest. I didn't have money to put into my scooter. My petrol, I did not have money. My scooter petrol खलास होता, मैं scooter उतार के ऐसे चलता था. लोग बोलते थे पेट्रोल पंप पीछे रह गया, आप वहां कहाँ जा रहे? भी कैसे बताऊं? How can I tell them really कि नहीं पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया? नहीं पेट्रोल बहुत है, फुल टैंक है. फुल टैंक है. तो फिर कार्बोरेटर में कचरा है. ऐसे बोल के, yeah, you have to bullshit, right? I didn't have money to pay for my rice plate. 7 rupees. I was paying interest upon interest. My wife comes to me one day. She gives me a box, blue color velvet box. I said, what's this? I open it, it's a jewelry. The only jewelry she had. Go sell it, she said. Pay off the loan. And chase your dreams. Basically, chase your want. I said, don't make me do this. I said, please do it. She said, you stop smiling. You're good at smiling. That gives you barakat, she says. What happened to you? Saying, what am I going to do? This jewelry, what's it going to do? It's going to lie in the cupboard. By wearing it, first of all, where are we going? We are not going anywhere. बाहर जाना बंद हो गया था. And secondly, she's saying, by wearing jewelry, I will not look pretty. ज्वेलरी पहनने से कोई खूबसूरत नहीं लगता. Look at your face. Stop smiling. Chase your dreams, he said. Fulfill your dream. And when you fulfill your dream, you'll smile. And when you smile, I'll smile. And when I smile, I might look pretty. It is the most beautiful, courageous thing I had ever heard. Salim Javed साहब को बेचना पड़ेगा ये डायलॉग. अच्छा है डायलॉग. And strangely, life changed. Shushmita Sen became Miss Universe. They called me, कुछ photos लेने थे Shushmita Sen का. मैंने photos लिया. My God. Next year they gave me the contract to shoot all the Miss Indias. I did their portfolios. Diana Hayden became Miss World. I became Mr. India. And things change. Sometimes it just takes an act of courage. Next thing, Shamak Davar walks into my studio. Everybody knows Shamak Davar. Yeah? I'm checking, sir. Don't worry. Sir is very particular about time. He comes into the studio and he says, he gets a feeling of the place. And he says, you're going to be very famous someday. I said, what? Doing what? I said, I don't know. Psychic hai wo. Kamal ka aadmi. Photos liye, 6 mahine ke baad he calls me up and said, I'm taking you for lunch. Okay, went for lunch. He didn't take me for lunch. He took me to meet Alik Padamsee. You know Alik Padamsee? हाँ. तो मैं Alik Padamsee से मिलने गया. I said, why? I want you to audition for his play. I said, no. I can't start doing theatre right now. He said, don't. I said, I'm not an actor. He said, don't lie. You're an actor. Every bone in your body, every hair on your hand tells me you're an actor. Don't lie to me, and most importantly, don't lie to yourself. He's absolutely right. I did an audition. And Alik Padamsee gave me a role of 3 minutes. 3 minute, सबसे छोटा role, second act में. Okay? And I got the role. My first character that I ever played as a professional actor was that of. Please clap when I say the name. No, not now. When I tell you the name, because you all get embarrassed by this thing, because all senior doctors are sitting over here. The first character I ever played was that of a pimp. Believe it or not, I'm playing a pimp. Okay, sorry. Pimp. Who's asked that? Sir, I am most impressed with you, sir. I'm also guessing you've never married. Twice? 2 बीबी है. एक और तो. सर मैं क्यों स्पीच दे रहा हूं, आप ही आके स्पीच दे दो ना सर. लेकिन आपके फेस पे कितनी रौनक है, फिर भी मुस्कुरा रहे हैं 2 बीवी के साथ. क्या बात, कितनी रौनक है आपके चेहरे पे, मानना पड़ेगा. And he doesn't know what a pimp is. क्या बात. So innocent you are, sir. So beautiful. Lovely tie also. You got a beautiful tie. Somebody take a photo, sir. Beautiful tie. Colorful tie. Rangila tie है आपका, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. Sir, आपका नाम?
He's Dr. Mukhi.
Dr. Shah Mukhi. Joki.
Mukhi from Mulund.
ATM, anytime Mukhi.
Anytime Mukhi. I thought when you say 80, I thought you were 80 years old. ATM, anytime Mukhi.
Got money.
Very sweet, sir. Give him a big hand, everybody. Sir, come on, face the crowd, take a bow, sir. Come on, everybody. Anytime Mukhi. Anytime Mukhi. Sir, turn around, take the. Come on, everybody. What a. Sir, मैं चला सर, इनको ही बुला लो सर. Oh my God. After that pose, and you're saying you don't know what a pimp is, then I'm very shocked. Sir, आपका फोन और पेन रह गया. Beautiful, sir, beautiful. Can everybody do this?
Can do it.
Who ji?
Can do it.
Pimp can, yes. Anyway, so let's continue. मेरा time खराब हो रहा है, sir. So I got the role, and and somebody said, don't take the role, बहुत छोटा role. And I had heard Laurence Olivier Sir Laurence Olivier say, there are no small roles, there are only small actors. कुछ भी छोटा नहीं होता लाइफ में यार, कुछ भी छोटा नहीं। तो मैं बोला मैं ये रोल को मैं इतना प्रैक्टिस करूंगा, एंड आई प्रैक्टिस। ब्रूस ली का नाम सुना है आपने? वो दूसरे वाले ब्रूस ली। सो and he, I'm not good at quotations, but this quotation I heard of his. He said, I don't fear a man who has 1,000 kicks. I fear a man who has one kick but practices it 1,000 times. तो मतलब ये लेके मैं दिस इज माय मंत्रा ना, मैं करते गया comes the day of the show, मैं शो पे आया, स्टेज पे एंट्री मारा और ऑडियंस डेड। कुछ करना पड़ेगा यार, we are team men, we have to wake them up. Audiences are not obliged to be nice to you, yeah. You know, I came on stage and I did my 3 minutes. I gave it everything. I do this show for the last 20 years. I'm doing this talk, but every time there'll be a new audience, and you have to be prepared for the audience as if it's their first time. And every time I don't get such wonderful people like Dr. Mukhi, but to come on stage and say, let me do it, and I did it. And suddenly the audience started clapping and clapping. Arshad Warsi was the choreographer. Huh? He was not even in movies that time. Choreographer था. वो wings में खड़ा है, मेरे को देख रहा है बाहर आ, बोल नहीं तालियां मार रहे रहने ना. And I'm standing there and I'm smiling. You know why I'm smiling? My mother is sitting there in the same spot as she was in school when I was there. And it's so beautiful, I can't tell you. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you something very special happened that day, and you know the answer, but when I tell you, you'll realize what I'm saying. Something very special happened that day. What was it? I entered from the artist's entrance. It was something. I want to be an artist. I want to come from behind. And you know why? Again, I love this stage. I love the stage. I love the sound of this mic. I love the lights. I love my audience. Thank you. I played, next role I played Gandhi. I went to Sudhir Joshi. I said, Sudhir Dada, great Marathi theatre actor, became my friend. He did a play called I'm Not Bajirao, ran it for 10 years. It was an experimental play. 3 शो करने वाले थे, 150 सीटर. लेकिन हमने बड़े थिएटर में खोला, I don't know why. छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्ले था, 2 बुढ़े लोग बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं. वो पिक्चर में 35 साल का था और I was playing 75-year-old man. Sudhir Joshi, everybody knows Sudhir Joshi here, great Marathi actor, great. मेरा दोस्त बन गया वो, बोला मैं Sudhir दादा मेरे को ये गांधी का रोल मिला. कौन सा गांधी? हाँ करो, you must. Which Gandhi? महात्मा गांधी. तू पागल हो गया, 6 feet 2 है, you are 110 kilos. मैं समझा फ्रंटियर गांधी, खान अब्दुल गफ्फार खान, ऐसा बोला मेरे. तो मैं एकदम हिल गया. नहीं बेटा, डोंट वरी, यू विल लूज द वेट. 30 किलो उतारा मैंने, 30 किलो उतारा. मैं बात करने लगा उनकी तरह, चलने लगा उनकी तरह. इसे सब कुछ करेंगे ना, सब ठीक है. But eventually your soul should feel like him. If you don't believe you're him, audience will not believe. If I am not enjoying today's session, how will you enjoy? If I just come and say my lines and go away, you have to feel it. Your soul should speak. And what a great lesson it was. I played that role. Finally, Ram Madhwani called me and said, I want to make a movie. I said, Mera time aa gaya. I said, okay. Saying experimental movie. So मेरा नसीब में experimental ही होता है. बोला हम लोग, you will write the movie with me. 1 साल लगेगा. You will write. We will rehearse. You will write. We will rehearse. You will write. We will rehearse. 1 साल निकल गया. And then we'll shoot it in 7 days on a handycam. उस जमाने में हैंडीकैम का क्वालिटी में क्या बताऊं. हमारे अंकल आते थे लंदन से, कॉकटेल शूट करते थे, चैंडेलियर शूट करते, वो वैसा कैमरा. स्वीट ऑफ यू डॉग. ठीक है, इतनी मेहनत की उस पर, इतनी मेहनत की. 7 दिन में शूट किया, पिक्चर रेडी हो गया. अवेंद्रनाथ राम माधवानी, ये रिलीज कब करेंगे? किसने कहा रिलीज करने वाले थे? अच्छा, तो फिर व्हाई डिड वी मेक द फिल्म? तो फिलोसॉफिकल हो गया. वी मेक द फिल्म for you, for me, for our family, for our friends. Or then I got so pissed off with him, and then finally when he said this, to ease the passing of time. I said, मैं retire नहीं हो रहा हूँ यार, 35, ये मेरा पहला picture है. Ease the passing of time. Okay, give me a second. Not waste any time. Ease the passing of time. And basically he was pulling my leg. There was no release actually, I knew about it. But he said something that really blew my mind. He said, do you realize that on the credits of this movie is called Let's Talk, our names will be on it forever. And if your name is on something forever, make sure it's of quality. Great life's lesson. Great life's lesson. Beg your pardon. Anyway, we sent it for, I got nominated for Best Actor, National Awards. For that movie. They sent it. They said, oh, wow, wonderful, great performance. They sent it back. You know why? Because it was disqualified because it was shot on digital. Aaj to sab picture digital pe hai. Was not grumble. Anyway. There was another film, a blockbuster being made. And it was being edited, and there was a very famous producer-director looking at his editing of this very big blockbuster film. यार ये shot लो इधर और यहाँ पे अपनी पिक्चर बन रही है. Let's talk. यार ये पिक्चर कौन सी है यार? गंदी पिक्चर. It was shot very roughly. और ये एक्टर कौन है? सिर्फ बमन ईरानी. He said भेजो मेरे पास. I went to his house. He gave me dinner. And he gave me a check of 2 lakh rupees. He said, किस चीज के लिए? मेरी अगली कहानी के लिए. वाह, आपकी अगली कहानी कौन सी है? मेरे पास कहानी ही नहीं है. ये फिल्मी लोग थोड़े अजीब होते हैं ना. मेरे पास कहानी तो फिर पैसे क्यों दे रहे? Can you imagine he's giving 2 lakhs for a movie he does not have? He said, क्यों दे रहा हूं? मैं बताता हूं. अगर तू हिंदी पिक्चर करेगा और मैं तेरे पास आऊंगा डेट्स के लिए, तेरे पास डेट्स नहीं रहेंगे. What? He says, yes. If you start working, Mr. Irani, I'll never forget his words, you will not have dates for the next 10 years. I said, really? Based on that? He's saying, yes. He says, Al Pacino had said, if you're good, they'll come hunting for you in Siberia also. I said, really? He disappeared. For 8 months, he disappeared. 8 months later, he made a call. He said, यारा, कहानी मिल गई, कमाल की कहानी. क्या कहानी है यारा, तो खुश हो जाएगा. तो कहानी का नाम क्या है सर? He said, यारा, कहानी का नाम है मुन्ना भाई MBBS. And I'm saying to myself, Let's Talk तो किसी ने देखा नहीं, सिर्फ एक बंदे ने देखा. So remember, nothing is too small. No client is too small, no patient is too small, no job is too small, no human being is too small. We must treat everybody equally. Had I treated Let's Talk less, कि ये इस एक हफ्ते की कहानी कोई देखेगा नहीं, I was mistaken. But I hated the name of the film. मुन्ना भाई ये बकवास नाम है. टाइटल मैं मन में बोल रहा हूं, उनको नहीं बोल रहा हूं. अच्छा, कहानी क्या है? अरे यारा, कमाल की कहानी है. एक गुंडा है, वो डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है. गुंडा डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है. दिस इज अ स्टूपिड स्टोरी. आई सेड टू माय सेल्फ, स्टूपिड स्टोरी. देन ही सेड, मेरा रोल क्या है? तू डॉक्टर है और तू पूरे पिक्चर में हंसते रहेगा. I'm listening to this on the phone. मैं पागल हो गया. मैं, ये क्या है? ये कहानी, नाम भी अच्छा नहीं, कहानी भी अच्छी नहीं है, और मेरा रोल तो सबसे बकवास. इसे तेरे को समझ में नहीं आएगा, तू जाके मेरे असिस्टेंट को मिल. आपने बनाई है ये विद्यु विनोद चोपड़ा, 12th फेल वाला. मैंने बनाऊंगा. असिस्टेंट कौन है? राजू कौन यार? मेरे को राजू के बाद भेज रहा है यार. गया राजू को मिले. द नाइसेस्ट, स्वीटेस्ट, हम्बलेस्ट मैन, day 1, nicest, sweetest, humblest man, day to day. Same. हाँ हेलो सर थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर डूइंग आवर फिल्म. मैं बोला मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ आपकी फिल्म. काम बोलो. देन ही टोल्ड मी द स्टोरी विद बिलीफ. Was crying, he was laughing. The belief system, the, the whole value systems are there in that film. Nobody will agree more with that than all you people. Am I right? तो बोले ये कहानी तो मुझे करनी है. Nobody wanted to do the film. Nobody wanted to finance the film. Nobody wanted to distribute the film. Nobody wanted to act in the film. All the actors rejected the film. Finally, we got a 44-year-old schoolboy to play Munna Bhai, Sanjay Dutt. Arshad Varsi came out of semi-retirement, was not getting much work that time. Came and played circuit. The biggest star in the movie was Gracie Singh. हम लोग ने पिक्चर बनाई in record time and record budget. Believe it or not, आप लोग समझते हैं ना फिल्म लाइन बहुत ग्लैमरस है. मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं. The last shot of the movie is the शादी का मंडप का shot. We didn't have money to put up that शादी का मंडप. आर्ट डायरेक्टर बोला ₹1,00,000 तो लगेगा उसको. बोला हमारे पास पैसा नहीं. तो वो मजाक में बोला फिर किसी के शादी में गेट क्रैश करो. विनोद चोपड़ा. अरे लवली आइडिया यार विनोद चोपड़ा. Lovely idea. So we literally gate crashed into someone's wedding. We sat behind the decoration. पीछे जाके बैठे हम लोग. सुनील दत्त साहब ऐसे बैठे अंधेरे में. संजू, अरशद, मैं, राजू, ग्रेसी, कैमरामैन, असिस्टेंट ऐसे बैठे. And when all the guests and baratis went home, we jumped onto stage before they undid the decoration and took the shot. My friends, resource. Create your own resource. Don't grumble. We grumble, we are gone. Yeah, I would do better if I was in a better area or a better city or a bigger. It's a kuch nahi hai. It's a kuch nahi hai. We made that film and released the film, and the film on opening day flopped. कोई देखने गया था नहीं. मल्टीप्लेक्स में आधा थिएटर का कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, लेकिन single screens would always be houseful on day one. This was not. Only 50% open. But people were laughing. People were crying. Raju said, it's okay. What we intended to make हुआ है. मेरा दिल गवारा नहीं कर रहा. मैं मराठा में दुकान का शटर डाउन करके मैं जाके देखता था रात को. कोई मेरे को पहचानता नहीं. खाली बोला था प्रोडक्शन वाले ने ये आके देखेगा पिक्चर रात को रोज. आगे खड़े रह के देखता हूँ. पब्लिक हंस रही है, रो रही है, लेकिन कोई है ही नहीं थिएटर में. Nobody's in the bloody theater. I stepped outside. And I heard a voice. मैंने एक आवाज सुनी. ए मामो नीचे देखो. There was a lady sitting on the footpath in a rough sari. She put some money in her blouse like that. And she looked at me like that. And she smiled. My first fan. And she gave me a compliment like nobody has ever given me that compliment, my friends. She said this. मामू क्या कमाल का एक्टिंग किया तूने यार. I became like that guy in the plane. I want to give a जादू की झप्पी. मैं लगता है एक्साइट हो गया. अरे कमाल. And she said something even more devastating. She said, मामू बहुत पैसा कमाएंगे हम लोग. बोले क्या? I thought कि कोई she was a distributor या producer 5-7 फ्लॉप के बाद रोड पे आ गई. मुझे ऐसा लगा. बहुत पैसा कमाएंगे हम लोग. कैसे? मामो मैं ब्लैक में टिकट में बेचती हूँ. मेरे को सब पता होता है कौन सी पिक्चर उठेगी, कौन सी डूबेगी, कौन सा है. It's amazing. I called up Raju. I said, राजू हमारी पिक्चर हिट हो गई. तो कौन बोला? रेड गाइड बोला. सिनेमा बोला. तारा आदर्श बोला नहीं. तो कौन बोला? वो ब्लैक में. तू पागल हो गया. ब्लैक पिक्चर हमारी पिट गई. तू क्या बात कर. Believe it or not, next day the movie picked up. It just eventually quality and reputation and word of mouth works. You could be in the remotest corner of the city. People will come to you if they have faith. They will come to you. Anna, this is December. 10 days later, 10 nominations. Can you believe it? Whoop! Everything changes. And 10 days after that, first awards. Can you believe it? Night before the awards, Arshad Varsi मुझे मिलता है. बोलता है कल क्या पहनेगा तू? मेरे पास सूट नहीं. तेरे पास सूट है. मेरे को क्यों सूट चाहिए? Why will I need a suit? नहीं, get a suit. नरेश भाई फॉर मैस्कुलिन टेलर, नरेश भाई एक सूट बनानी है 24 आवर्स। नहीं मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मैं कोई बमन ईरानी को जानता नहीं। अच्छा है, प्लीज मेक, he'll win tomorrow। कौन से पिक्चर के लिए? मुन्ना भाई। क्या रोल किया था वो? अरे वो टकला मामू, मैं उसके लिए सूट बनाएगा। ओके, बोला मेजरमेंट के लिए कोई भेजो। बोला मेरे पास मेजरमेंट के लिए टाइम नहीं है। तो कैसे बनाएगा? उसका हाइट पूछो। हाइट से थोड़ी सूट बनता है। सिंह, मैं बोला 6'2", कॉलर इधर आएगा क्या? थिंक अबाउट इट। मालूम नहीं, उसको फोन दो। हेलो मामू, हाउ आर यू? यस वेरी नाइस सर, सूट बन जाएगा। सर नहीं सर, आई डोंट वांट अ सूट। प्लीज आई वांट, मैं पैसे दे रहा हूँ यार। शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, ऋतिक रोशन, उनसे बनाता है सूट। मुझे अच्छा फिटिंग वाला सूट। सिंह देख मामू, टाइम नहीं है। आपका हाइट क्या है? 6'2", राइट? मेरे पास मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस का डीवीडी है। मैं घर में प्ले करूंगा, बहुत बड़ा स्क्रीन है अपना। हाँ, मैं प्ले करूंगा। आप जब फुल लेंथ में आएंगे तो मैं पॉज करूंगा। कैन यू इमेजिन? सॉरी, कैन यू इमेजिन? फुल लेंथ में पॉज करूंगा तो इज डिस्क्राइब, पॉज करूंगा। आपका हाइट क्या है? 6'2", तो मैं जाके मेजर करूंगा टीवी के ऊपर। सपोज आपका फुल लेंथ टीवी पे 10 इंचेस है, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंगली जो भी प्रोपोर्शनल रेशियो आएगा, मैं शोल्डर इतना यहां तक लेंथ, पैंट लेंथ, सब कुछ चेस्ट वेस्ट करके मैं सूट भेजूंगा। खाली टमी मैं थोड़ा लूज रखूंगा। मतलब क्यों? मेरा टीवी 3D नहीं है। सर ओके। दूसरे दिन आई एम स्टैंडिंग अंडर द स्टेज, सब अंधेरे में, क्रॉस पट्टी के वो लकड़े के ऐसे, झुक के खड़ा हूं। ऑन व्हाट? ऑन अ टॉवल। सूट ही नहीं है और मैं ऐसे रुका हूं। And the awards are happening one after the other. I should be sitting in the front row for the nominations, जहां पे सब एक्टर सबसे खराब एक्टिंग करते हैं या सबसे अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हैं। वहां पे जब हार जाते हैं ना उन लोग, तो उन लोग को दिखाना पड़ता है ना, आई एम सो बैड, वो वाला एक्टिंग। मैं नीचे खड़ा हूं और आई कैन हियर एज इफ लाइक इन भाजी तरकारी वाला आया, बमनी रानी को नहीं, बमनी रानी को नहीं। No. Started wearing in the dark. My friend is holding a torch on me. मैं सूट पहनने लगा। प्रेम चोपड़ा साहब and Javed Jafri is on the stage and they are announcing the nominations one after the other, 2-3 कैटेगरी। और मैं टाइट पहना and he announced I'm the winner for best supporting actor, बमन ईरानी, मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस। मैं बोला क्या करूं? आगे से जाऊं, कैसे जाऊं? आगे से जाएंगे तो 10 मिनट लगेगा to go all the way around। तो मैं पीछे था, तो मैं पीछे से सर्विस रैंप से गया। सर्विस रैंप से जो सेट स्लैक्स रहते, पट्टियां रहते, I started running on that. I slipped, fell, dusted. Again, twice I fell. Third time I said, I'm not falling. And I said to myself, my friends, all my life I've run and I've fallen many times. But every single time I stood up, I dusted myself and ran again. Before I end, I have got 3 small little things to say. Some years ago, I went to Oslo for a film festival. They gave me an award there, and they showed a film, and one interviewer was doing taking an interview afterwards, asking me question. Your favorite food, your favorite destination, your favorite this, your favorite that, your favorite cologne, next konsi. Got bored. And I asked that young lady, tell me which magazine do you represent? You're Norway mein. She said, Vigi. I said, really? She said, yes, Vigi. You know Vigi? I said, darling, I want to tell you a beautiful story about a young photographer whose life you impacted because your company impacted because of your sense of ethics and your code of ethics. Life has its way to come into full circles. It's so beautiful. Sometime before that, I went to New York. My assistant, Vikram Pathak, does some beautiful fashion photography. He said, I want to take some photographs of you. He took me on the streets and we started doing photography. He said, take me to Broadway. He took me to Broadway, taking pictures there. Take me to the New Amsterdam Theatre. I went to the New Amsterdam Theatre. I said, now take me to the Artist's Entrance. And I went to the Artist's Entrance and there's a star over there. I put my head against the star and we took some photographs. And finally, I went to the Lexington hotel, and they welcomed me in the hotel. And the manager came up to me, a nice dark suit, very distinguished looking man, with a beautiful voice. And he said, Mr. Irani, welcome to the hotel. Looked at him. I didn't take the flowers. I just grabbed the flowers. I said, please accept these flowers from me. And I gave the flowers to him. He's saying, why? I said, I cannot accept flowers from you, Mr. Sam Bhada. You gave me my first job and you taught me my greatest lesson of not having shortcuts. There are no magic bullets and there are shortcuts at the top. Ladies and gentlemen, well, first thing in the morning, you have been such a wonderful audience. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a great convention. God bless you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Haji. Aha. Gentlemen, ladies, God bless you all. Thank you. You keep other people healthy. My wish and blessing to you while we are waiting is my wish and blessing to you. You all also stay healthy. It's very important for all of us.
I was just trying to practice what a talk. Now we'll get it. I think we have had a fantastic time. But
But you, sir, but kaise aata hai?
one last dialogue, Munna Bhai MBBS, in that tone or whatever.
मुन्ना भाई MS भी है.
तब बात है। मैं उसके बजाय एक दूसरे पिक्चर का करता हूं, मैं दिखाता हूं आपको। मेरा पेट वैसे भी बाहर है, लेकिन उसमें ज्यादा पार यहां तक पैंट पहना था मैंने, ऐसे चल गया था।
लाइफ इज अ रेस। अगर तेज नहीं दौड़ोगे तो कोई और आगे निकल जाए, एंड यू विल बी लाइक अ ब्रोकन।
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much. We actually appreciate you coming, and I know you are in a rush, so they will take care of you. Thank you.
Have a great convention, guys. Have a great convention. Thank you so much.
Give me the-